Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to your science class, students. How are you all? I hope you have enjoyed your weekend. So we have finished the reading of unit number 3, kinds of plants, in the last week. So today we will going to do the book activity of this unit, book page number 21. So students, kindly open your book page number 21 of unit number 3, kinds of plants. So today we will going to solve the first question. So first of all, write down classwork, date and day on your book, on the top of your book. So today is 25th October 2020 and day is Sunday. Question number 1. Label the following diagrams. Now you can see there is a diagram over here and they have drawn the lines. So starting from the upper side, now you have to tell us what is this. What is this? This is flower. Now come to this part. What is this? Yes, this is leaf. Now come to this part. What is this? This is stem. And I hope everyone knows about this part because we have read every part of the plant and we have read these functions also. So what are this? The last one is, what is this part? This one is roots. So flower, leaf, stem and root. We have to label these. Now come to the question number 2. Question number 2 is, answer the following question. Question A. What is the color of most plants? So when you go outside, which mostly you colors see when you go outside? Most plants are pink, red, black. Which color? Yes, most plants are green. We can see there are different shades of green and we see so much greenery outside when you go. So mostly plants are green. What do roots do? So what we have read about the function of the root. What the function of the root is? Root sucks water and salt from the soil. Salt is also the minerals. So we say water and salts from the soil. Root sucks water and salts from the soil. Question C. What does the stem do? So root sucks water and salt from the soil. So what is the function of the stem now? The stem takes water and salt from the roots to the leaves. Yes, what the stem do? It takes water and salt from the roots and give it to all over the plant, to all the leaves. Question D. What do flowers do? Flowers, what do the flowers do? Flowers make fruits. Yes, flowers make fruits. What do leaves do? Leaves make food for the plant. Leaves make food for the plant. So again we have revised all these functions of the parts of the plant. We have read about root, stem, flower and leaves. I hope you understand and you enjoyed this topic. Learn these question answers, students, and write with a good handwriting in your notebook. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.